Whew. Okay, so the other day you saw me adding this um my gosh, Agastache. Sorry, let me move this. And that inspired me to actually change the whole window because this looked not that great. And I just figured out why. So this kufia, which is the proven winner one, this is not the ideal condition for it. It's still full sun and doesn't have, like, the roots cannot retain water, mostly because it's under the overhang. So we're gonna take them out. I'm gonna plant them somewhere else with you in a better location for it, not in a container. And then let me grab a trout. Let me grab my little. Okay, so let me take this one out and move. Oh, you wanna know something? Ever since my life changed, we had a anyways, ever since that happened, I do not retain much. So I have recorded 2 videos today. Um, well, I intended to record 2 videos today and forget to hit the record button. Yeah, so that is my reality check. Anyways, so as I was saying throughout the video explaining that I took out the kufias because the kufias were drying out too fast in this location, and I'm gonna put them in a flower bed most likely, and the Agastache is gonna hold up better because it doesn't like to um, retain water, likes good drainage, and that's what is gonna get over here in this container. So this is a whole proven winner container right now, and it should take us through fall. These are the meant to be queen nectarine Agastaches. The tall one, I got it the grower nursery for proven winner, and it looks so much better than the ones that I got from Home Depot. But now that they are in a larger container and hopefully with a better chance of growing, um, they grow taller and they catch up to the other one. And then I put 2 royal velvet super Zinnias, and I have this super Zinnia Vista white, I believe, yes, in the front. I have 3 of them, 2 of the royal velvet, and 1, oh my gosh, the euphorbia, diamond frost euphorbia. Sorry, I'm cleaning up over here. Oh, and two Vinca Mayor trellises. I mean, trailing vine. So this is how it's looking at the moment. Let's see what it does from here to, I don't know, August. It's looking so much better though, because I hate it how the kufia started to fizzle out. Look at that. They are not dead. They're gonna recover. Look at this. I want to put them in a better condition now. So let's see. I also grabbed this because I thought it was gonna be the same as this, but this one is the white swan. This one is powwow. So they are a little shorter, but somehow the cone is bigger. Anyways, it's the same color. That's what I'm going with. So I'm gonna look for a space to plant this in a full sun location. And in September, when I'm done with this container, I will plant this closer to those as well. But let me see what I can do. I was thinking that the Paua White has 4 plants in there, and I could actually divide it and 4 clumps. Or maybe just put it as, I don't know. But anyways, the growth, the stats on this is flowers mid-summer through fall, grows 20 to 24 inches high, 16 to 18 wide, hardiness sun -40. I don't know. I really like the white swan better, but I didn't want to drive, so this is what I got. Let me see where can I put it, and we get cracking. Let me see where can I put it. See, like over here, I have a bunch of things already, and but it's missing white. And I think maybe if I put 2 around here and 2 around there, and eventually they'll seed and propagate. Let me see. Let me see. Let me look around. Now over here, I had a bunch of weed in the lawn, so I decided to put a weed killer and fertilizer, and this is how it's looking. It has been raining every day since I did it about a week and a half ago, so I think it's time for me to start putting the seeds, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I am gonna be using this sun and shade because that's what I get over here. I could use a spreader, but I don't have it, and also I have more chances there to put the seeds inside of the flower bed, and I'm trying to avoid it. This is the grass update. Already started to sprout. You see. Look at that. I'm gonna add some more this week. me show you from here. Many of the bare spots have taken it. So I want to continue this weekend adding some more. Now let me show you the progress on the zinnias. Look at that. They already have 2 leaves. So, and I added a banana plant with them. And again, this is how the grass is looking. This is all the progress report. I hope I'll see you next time, guys.